Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 2007 Impala. It does have the 5.3 V8 under the hood. We're gonna be taking her down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures. Yeah, we can ship these cars all over the nation. Hit that subscribe button for daily videos. All right, guys, about that time. Let's go for a ride. It's a very clean car on the inside. Go ahead and start it up. Starts up nice and easy. The gauges are not doing that. That's called refresh rate on my camera. It's making it flash and stuff. In person, it's solid, it's nice and green. See, that's the refresh rate. Sorry about that. This one's showing 115,000 miles. AC is nice and cool. Good sounding motor, everything works. Your horn, your turn signals, your wipers, radio. Genesis phone. Nice and clean. When I get back from the test drive, I'm gonna be going ahead and doing a whole walk around on this car. Just kind of pointing out any kind of flaws I can find. Let's take off down the road. Okay, we're getting ready to take off down the road, see how she runs and drives. Not having this many miles, it should be good to go. All the gauges are working, everything's nice and smooth. Engine temp is up, and no time to get to 60 in this car. Nice and smooth power too. Straight down the road, tight steering. Suspension. Brakes feel good. Power windows. All four of them are working. Radio's working on the steering wheel. Be easy to modify. Added some Flowmaster exhaust. Wake her up with the sound. Alright, we're gonna pull in this parking lot over here. I'm gonna drive by the camera, get some outside shots. Check below in the description for my gear. If you want to do videos like this, I got everything that I use down below in the description. So check that out for sure. That's actually where I bought all my stuff. I even put the links down there. Let's get these shots. welcome to the virtual driver's seat. I'm gonna take off down the road here. Kind of give you a feel of being in the car and driving it around. I got scared, I ran over my camera a second there. I've only done that once. So far so good, car runs great. I'm actually taking it back to the lot now to pick Jeff up for lunch. It's already got it out and be our lunch cruiser. This road right here has got a nice little speed bump in it. We're gonna hit it. Suspension's good on this one. You probably won't even notice it, honestly. It's right here. Nice and smooth. That speed bump's normally for the older cars with the older suspensions. That's where you notice it the most. I do 2 videos on each car. One video walks around the outside pointing out all the flaws, and the other one's this one. We go on a test drive, talk about how it runs and drives. So be sure to check out both videos. I'm ready to go, I'm ready to go. All right, guys, we're gonna pull back into the car lot right here and go ahead and walk around this car real quick, point out any kind of flaws I can find. That way we can finish it up. We'll be taking more test drives today. I appreciate y'all riding with me. Thanks again, guys. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all riding with me. If you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com for financing information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and shipping. We can ship these cars all over the nation. Getting ready to do a walk around video, so look for that and hit that subscribe button. I post cars every single day, or at least I try to. That way y'all know exactly what you're coming to buy. All right, guys, thanks again. Y'all have a good one.